How many five-digit positive integers have the product of their digits equal to 1,000? Neat question. 1,000 is 10 times 10 times 10. So those are too big. Let's try and split it up into digits then. So this is going to be 2 times 5 cubed, in fact, or 2 cubed times 5 cubed. So we're going to have to use 5 each time because I can't times it by anything to give another digit. So it's going to be 5, 5, 5. And we've somehow got to make 8 from the remaining two digits. So that can either be 1 and 8. 1 times 8 gives 8. Or we could do 5, 5, 5, 2, 4. That would also work. But it's going to be different arrangements of this number that are going to get us all the five-digit positive integers. Now, a quick way of doing this is to know that if you have 5 objects and you are arranging them, then you can do this in 5 factorial ways. However, if some of them are repeated, then you have to divide by the number of times they're repeated. In this case, 3 factorial. The 3 factorial will cancel with partially with the 5 factorial, because 5 factorial is actually 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, or 3 factorial. So those are going to cancel basically, and we're going to get 5 times 4, which is 20. And it's going to be exactly the same over here, 20 as well. Do you want a little bit more explanation? I'm not going to go into detail on where this comes from. It's worth knowing though, actually. So, how many different ways are there of arranging the letters in the word banana? Well, there are 6 things that we're arranging, but there are 3 A's, so we divide by 3 factorial, 3 times 2 times 1, and then there are 2 N's, so we also divide by 2 factorial. That's just quite neat. The other way to do it is to say, hey, I've got 5 things. Now I'm going to choose to put the 1 in first of all, and there's going to be 5 options for where I put the 1. And then with the 8, I've got 4 options left. And then the 5s have to go everywhere else. So, it's all about choosing which one to put in first, because if you put 5 in first, then it kind of messes things up a little bit. So that's our answer. Similar works over here, the 40. Hope that makes sense.